Most people experience bloating at some point. Exercises, supplements, and massages can all help to reduce bloating quickly, and simple lifestyle changes can prevent it from reoccurring. Hello and welcome to Joint Health. Today in this video, I am going to show you the best ways to reduce bloating in the long term. So let's get started. Physical activity can get the bowels moving more regularly, which can help to release excess gas and stool. Getting the bowels to move is especially important if a person is feeling constipated. A walk around the block can provide fast relief from gas pressure. Certain yoga poses can position the muscles in the abdominal in a way that encourages the release of excess gas from the GI tract. This can reduce bloating though. Peppermint oil capsules may also be helpful for indigestion and related gas. Peppermint works by relaxing the intestinal muscles, which allows gas and stool to move along more effectively. Massaging the abdomen can help to get the bowels moving. A massage that follows the path of the large intestine is especially helpful. The heat of the bath can provide relief for a sore abdomen. Relaxation can reduce stress levels, which may allow the GI tract to function more effectively and help reduce bloating. Fizzy carbonated drinks contain gas that can build up in the stomach. The carbon dioxide that makes soda and similar beverages fizzy can also cause bubbling and bloating in the stomach. The sugar alcohols in gum can cause bloating in some people. Swallowing hair while chewing also may lead to bloating and gas pain. People can use ginger mints or peppermints to freshen their breath instead. An excess of sodium causes the body to retain water. This can cause a swollen and bloated feeling in the belly and other areas of the body.